you ready to draw a cute bunny in a cup together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big circles for the eyes. Now inside each eye, draw 2 small white circles for the shiny light. Now draw a curved line inside each eye for the pupils. Nice! Color the rest of the eyes black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and sparkly. Now draw the nose and mouth. Draw a small triangle for the nose. Then connect 2 little curved lines under the nose to make the mouth. Draw the head. Next, draw a round shape around the eyes to make the bunny's head. Make the cheeks a little puffy and fluffy on both sides. Next, draw the 2 small paws resting on the edge of the cup. They should look like 2 little circles or ovals. Draw the cup. Now draw the top curved line of the cup under the paws. Draw the ears. Now let's draw the 2 long bunny ears on top of the head. Draw 1 ear on the right and 1 on the left. Inside each ear, draw another long curve for the inner ear. Then draw the round shape of the cup going down. On the right side, draw the cup handle. Now add details. Draw horizontal stripes across the cup to make it colorful and fun. Draw the saucer. Under the cup, draw a flat oval plate to make the saucer. This helps the cup look complete and balanced. Let's add some cute eyelashes to both eyes. Now draw a soft curved line across the face to make the white mouth area. Coloring time. Now you can color your drawing. Color the bunny pink and white. Color the inside of the ears dark pink. Make the cup rainbow colors like in the picture. And here is our cute bunny in a cup. Was this drawing hard or easy? If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.